Good morning, everybody. You know what woke me up this morning? Listen what woke me up this morning. I'm gonna let you hear what wakes me up every morning now. Not a natural, regular alarm clock. But this will wake me up every morning. Hear the birds out here singing? Listen. This will wake me up every morning. I've been up since 3 this morning. My baby mama called me. But it was peaceful. My baby mama called me. Then 5 o'clock, 4 or something, they started singing. No alarm clock. No no. This is my alarm clock. Listen. So I'm outside in the morning time. Let my body breathe. Yeah, it's early in the morning. And if you can't get excited about life this early, God said, well, get happy then. If you can't get happy about being alive and you ain't even experienced the day yet, get happy then, because today is Wednesday. And you can win again, because if you ain't happy already, listen, this is my alarm clock. Every morning, the birds singing. My eyes is open. Let there be light. Look, I was asleep, but God said, let there be light. Boom, my eyes open. And then I'm outside breathing. I'm outside in the morning, y'all. This your boy early in the morning. Out here. In the air. Y'all hear the birds singing? That's what I wake up to in the morning. The birds singing to me, saying, what you want to do today? Yeah, what you want to do today? I'm going to do it just like Pinky and the Brain said. What we going to do today? Pinky, we're going to take over the world. With love, L-O-V-E. So get excited about life first. See the alarm clock? I'm out here breathing in the morning. What you getting up doing already? Listen to the birds sing to you in the morning. Listen. Get excited in the morning.